If you're wondering how to make money on YouTube, look no further than these 6 strategies for monetizing your channel and your creative work. Ad revenue is the most obvious way to make money on YouTube. But it's not the only way, or, to be honest, the best way. YouTube is half the internet, that's 1.9 billion users logging in every month. But at the same time, 500 hours of video are uploaded to the site every minute. Today we are going to talk about 6 effective strategies to make money from YouTube. Before starting this video, make sure to hit the like button. And subscribe to our channel for more future updates. Number 6. Become a YouTube partner. The YouTube Partner Program is how regular YouTubers get access to special features on the platform. You don't need to be a partner to make money on YouTube, just setting up an AdSense account and getting views is enough to handle that. But being a partner makes it a lot easier. YouTube partners have access to multiple income streams, not just ads, but YouTube Premium subscription fees, and features that tap your fans' wallets directly like Super Chat, channel memberships and the merchandise shelf. Number 5. Sell your own merchandise. Maybe you identify as a content creator first, an entrepreneur second. Just remember that even Drake sells t-shirts. Alternately, you're an entrepreneur first and video creator second, which means you probably already have a product and you're designing your YouTube marketing strategy to sell it. Either way, merchandise is a viable way to earn money from YouTube. Merchandise for your channel is meant to both represent and feed your audience's connection with you. That means your merch should be unique. Number 4. Create sponsored content. You don't have to be on Instagram to be an influencer. The advantage of the Sponken strategy is that you don't have to give YouTube a cut of your earnings. You negotiate directly with the brand, and they pay you directly. No wonder it's a popular way for YouTubers to make money. If you can offer brands a large and/or engaged audience, and your content is relevant to their target market, they probably want to hear from you. For instance, YouTuber Aaron Marino, aka Alpha M, is big in the men's lifestyle space. How big? So big that even his videos that explain his brand partnerships have brand partners. Number 3. Get your fans to pay you directly. This strategy for making money on YouTube includes a few different income streams, but they all have one thing in common: you have to make it easy for your fans to show their appreciation with their credit card. In early 2017, YouTube replaced their previous fan funding feature with Super Chat. This is a feature that is only available to YouTube partners while they live stream. Essentially, your viewers can make their comments more visible. They're highlighted and pinned for a set amount of time depending on how much they pay, in the live chat stream. Number 2. Use crowdfunding on an ongoing or one-off basis. Soliciting donations online is now commonplace. Whether you're looking to build ongoing revenue from a pool of small monthly donations, or looking to fund a personal, channel-related project, crowdfunding is how many YouTubers make money. YouTube has a list of approved crowdfunding sites to choose from. For recurring funding, Patreon is a top choice. Meanwhile, sites like GoFundMe or Kickstarter are best for one-off campaigns to get a new mic or new laptop. Number 1. License your content to the media. When a video becomes viral, every news organization wants a copy so that they may show it to their audience. Established media firms, on the other hand, are fully aware that they must pay for what they utilize. And there you have it, another method to earn money on YouTube. Making sure you're easy to discover as a content producer may help you license your most successful work to the media. It's impossible to predict when lightning will hit. Set up a generic email address that you may use for business inquiries even if you don't have a company manager. That's a wrap for today's video about 5 effective strategies to make money from YouTube. Hope this video gives some knowledge to you about YouTube. What are your thoughts on our list? Let us know in the comment section below. And make sure to hit the like button, and subscribe to our channel for more future updates. See you in the next one.